The 2016 Mazda CX-5 infotainment system, known as Mazda Connect, experiences widespread issues that persist even after software updates. These problems affect approximately 35 to 40% of owners, typically emerging between 60,000 and 100,000 miles. The three most common symptoms are black screen issues where the display fails, but the backlight remains on, audio problems with no sound output despite a functioning interface, and complete system freezing with unresponsive touchscreen and controls. Start with a soft reset procedure. Turn off the vehicle completely, wait 30 seconds, then start the engine and test the system. This simple method resolves many temporary software glitches. If the soft reset fails, try hard reset methods. The first method involves holding the back, NAV, and mute buttons simultaneously for 10 or more seconds. These buttons are typically located around the infotainment display. The second method involves disconnecting the vehicle's 12-volt battery for 15 to 20 minutes. This completely resets the electrical system and clears any stored errors in the infotainment module. The third method involves removing and reinstalling the infotainment system fuse. This fuse is typically rated at 7.5 or 10 amperes and can be found in the vehicle's fuse box, usually located under the hood or dashboard. These immediate troubleshooting steps have a 60 to 70% success rate for temporary fixes. However, if the issues persist after trying these methods, more advanced solutions may be required to permanently resolve the infotainment problems. When basic resets fail to resolve your 2016 Mazda CX-5 infotainment issues, the next step is exploring advanced solutions. Software updates from authorized Mazda dealerships are often the most effective first approach. If software updates don't resolve the problem, hardware intervention may be necessary. The most common solution is replacing the Connectivity Master Unit, or CMU, which controls the entire infotainment system. Understanding the scope of this problem is crucial for making informed decisions. Approximately 35 to 40% of 2016 CX-5 owners report infotainment issues, making this a widespread concern rather than isolated incidents. When considering repair options, it's important to understand the success rates of different approaches. DIY attempts have a significantly lower success rate compared to professional repairs. Given that your 2016 CX-5 is now nearly a decade old, it's crucial to evaluate repair costs against your vehicle's current value. Consider aftermarket infotainment alternatives that may provide modern features at a lower cost than OEM repairs. In summary, while professional CMU replacement offers the highest success rate, the significant cost may not be justified for an older vehicle. Carefully weigh your options, consider your vehicle's overall condition and value, and don't overlook modern aftermarket solutions that could provide better functionality at a fraction of the cost.